What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can flip any video or any footage in Premiere Pro, either 180 degree, horizontally or vertically. So without further ado, let's jump in. So you open up Premiere Pro, import the footage that you want, drag it into your timeline so you make a sequence. Now with this footage, I want to basically flip it around horizontally. So the way you do it is go to your effects and presets and search for basic 3D. Okay, so this will be under the video effects perspective, and just drag and drop it on your video footage here. Okay, now on your left hand side in the effect controls, now you can see there are some more options here for you under the basic 3D. The important one for us is the swivel and tilt. So to flip it horizontally, you go to swivel and type in 180 degree. Okay, there you go. So now when you play it, it will be horizontally flipped. Okay, so if we disable this effect and go back, you can see exactly how it was originally. And now with the effect, there we go, it is flipped. Okay, how about flipping it vertically? So what you do is go make that 0, and with the tilt, make that 180 degree. Okay, so simply with just one effect, you can flip it horizontally or vertically. So this is a very useful feature, very easy to use as well. Give it a try yourself. And I guess this is pretty much it for this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.